Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss conformal transformation and their application. Now problem can be written as problem number first. Find the image of the infinite strip. Find the image of the infinite strip 1 upon 4 less or equal to y less or equal to 1 upon 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 upon z. Also show the region graphically. Also show the region graphically. Now solution. Since w is equal to 1 upon z, therefore z is equal to 1 upon w. Now x plus iy equal to 1 upon u plus iv. Now u minus iv multiplied and divide. Then we get u minus iv upon u square plus v square. Now comparing x equal to u upon u square plus v square and v equal to minus y upon u square plus v square. If y lesser than 1 upon 2 imply minus v upon u square plus v square lesser 1 upon 2 implies minus 2v lesser u square plus v square. Therefore u square plus v plus 1 whole square lesser greater 1. This is represented by equation number first, or this is represented by equation number first. This is second. Now second condition, y greater than 1 upon 4. This is the given in question. Now represent minus v upon u square plus v square. This is the value of y greater 1 upon 4. Therefore minus 4v u square plus v square implies u square plus v plus 2 whole square lesser 4, equation number 3. Therefore we can write y greater 1 upon 4 lesser 1 upon 2 implies that u square plus v plus 2 whole square lesser 4 and u square plus v plus 1 whole square greater than 1. This is shows that this is the interior of the circle whose center 0, minus 2 and radius 2. This is the exterior of the area of the circle whose center 0, minus 1 and radius 1. Now we can draw the position with the help of the graph. Say u is equal to 1 upon 4 or u is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 2, y is equal to 1 upon 4. This is the strip in z plane, x axis or y axis. But in w plane, this is the o dash u and v. Now position of first circle whose center 0 and radius center 0, 1. Now this is equal to 1. or this is equal to 2. Now we can draw the position of circle. This is the u square plus v plus 1 whole square greater than 1 circle represented by equation number 2. Now second circle whose center 0, minus 2, radius 2. Now this is the center, this is the center. Now the position can be drawn of the circle. The exterior area of the circle number second and the interior area of the circle number 4, which is the required area, which are mapped to the strip y is equal to 1 upon 4, between the y is equal to 1 upon 4 and y is equal to 1 upon 2. Now if we apply the sign equal, then the boundary of the strip lie on the boundary of the bigger circle. Now then we can write greater or now equal or equal. Now this is the circle boundary lie also. Now next problem. Problem number 7. So that the under transformation W equal to 1 upon Z, the image of the hyperbola x square minus y square is equal to 1 is the lemniscate. Rho square is equal to cos 2 phi. Now answer. X square minus y square is equal to 1 equation of hyperbola in Cartesian form. If we convert into polar form, the equation of hyperbola r square cos 2 theta equal to 1. This is represented by equation number first. But given transformation W is equal to 1 upon Z, that is Z is equal to 1 upon W. Now putting the point Z in polar form, r e to the power I theta and W is equal to rho e to the power I phi. That is, we can write 1 upon rho e to the power minus I phi. Now comparing the both. Now r is equal to 1 upon rho and phi is equal to minus k theta. From equation number first, reduce to value of r square is equal to 1 upon rho square cos 2, value of theta is equal to minus k phi is equal to 1, imply cos 2 phi is equal to rho square. This is the equation of lemniscate. Now second problem. Now problem third. Find the image of the region bounded by 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 0, 2 by the transformation W equal 1 plus I into Z plus 2 minus I. Stop. Sketch the image. Sketch the image. Answer. Since W is equal to 1 plus I into Z plus 2 minus I, now this is equal to 1 plus I into X plus IY, putting the value of Z, plus 2 minus I. Now Z is equal to U plus IB. This is equal to X minus Y plus 2. This is the real part of this, plus imaginary part, I into X plus Y minus 1. Now comparing U is equal to X minus Y plus 2 and V is equal to X plus Y minus 1. Now put X is equal to 0. Then we get U equal minus Y plus 2, comma V equal minus Y plus 1 plus Y minus 1. Sorry, plus Y minus 1. That is U plus V is equal to 1. Now X is equal to 1. For second point, U equal to minus Y plus 3, comma V equal X minus Y, imply U plus V is equal to 3. Sorry, this is wrong. Since Y is equal to 0 in this, then we get X is equal to 1 in this, then we get 1 cancel by 1. Now V is equal to Y. V is equal to Y. Then U plus V is equal to 3. Now Y is equal to 0. Then U is equal to Y is equal to 0. Then U is equal to X plus 2, comma V is equal to X minus 1. That is U minus V is equal to 3. Now last point, Y is equal to 2, U is equal to X, V is equal to X plus 1, imply U minus V is equal to minus 1. Then we can sketch the graph. This is origin, this is the x-axis, y-axis. Say this is equal to 1, comma 2. Similarly 1, comma 2, comma 3. Now x is equal to 1. We can run x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now this is equal to y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 if A, B, comma C point. Now position of A 1, 0, position of B 1, 2, position of C 0, 2. That is the region of rectangle transformed into in W plane as follows. This is 1, 2, 3. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1. Now code as first we can write u plus v is equal to 1. This is can be written as, this is the line u plus v is equal to 1. Now second line u plus v is equal to 3. Now this is passes through 3 point. This is equal to u plus v is equal to 3. Then this line is u plus v is equal to 1. Now line u, this line can be written as minus u plus v is equal to 1. That it can be drawn as follows. This is line. Now line u is equal to 3, that is this, and v is equal to minus 3, this is equal to this. This line is u minus v is equal to 3. Now required area, this is the area which is now this point can be written as a, b, a dash, b dash, c dash, comma d dash. Now this is the area which is transformed O, A, B, C rectangle. Now next problem number 4. Find the image of z minus 3i modulus is equal to 3 under the mapping. W is equal to 1 upon z. Now z is equal to 1 upon w. This is the solution. Now x plus iy is equal to 1 upon u plus iv. Now multiply and divide u minus v, that is conjugate of this. This can be u minus iv upon u square plus p square. Now comparing, we get x is equal to u upon u square plus v square and y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square. Now given equation z minus 3i modulus is equal to 3. Now putting the value of z, x plus iy minus 3i modulus is equal to 3. Now x plus I y minus 3 modulus is equal to 3. Now taking the modulus and squaring, x square plus y minus 3 whole square, this is equal to 9. Now putting the value of x and y, u upon u square plus v square whole square plus minus v upon u square plus v square minus 3 ka whole square, this is equal to 9. Then we get u square upon u square plus v square whole square plus v square u square plus v square whole square plus के 9 plus के 6 v upon u square plus v square is equal to 9. 9y cancel by 9. Then we get u square plus v square plus 6v u square plus v square, this is equal to 0. Now u square plus v square common, u square plus v square 1 plus 6v, this is equal to 0. Now u square plus v square is not equal to 0 imply 6v plus 1, this is equal to 0. This is the image of the z minus 3i modulus is equal to 3 under the given transformation. This is the complete solution. Find the image of the circle. Find the image of the circle. Z minus 1 modulus equal to 1 in the complex plane. In the complex plane under the mapping W is equal to 1 upon Z. Answer, Z is equal to 1 upon W. Now we can solve before question according. X is equal to u upon u square plus v square and y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square. Now given equation of circle. Now putting the x plus iy minus 1 modulus, this is equal to 1. Now x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 1. Now putting the value of x and y in this, that is u upon u square plus v square minus 1 whole square plus v square upon u square plus v square whole square, this is equal to 1. Now u square upon u square plus v square whole square plus 1 minus के 2u upon u square plus v square plus v square upon u square plus v square whole square, this is equal to 1. Now 1 cancel by this. Now we get u square plus v square upon u square plus v square. Now combining first and third term, 2u upon u square plus v square as it, this is equal to 0. Now whole square. Now first term 1 power is cancelled. Now 1 minus 2u upon u square plus v square, this is equal to 0, implies 1 minus 2u is equal to 0, that is u is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the image of given circle z minus 1 modulus equal to 1 in W plane. Now next problem. Find the image of the half plane. Problem 6. Find the image of the half plane f greater than c when c greater than 0, that is positive, under the transformation W equal to 1 upon Z. Now answer, since W is equal to 1 upon Z, therefore Z is equal to 1 upon W. Now we can solve x is equal to u upon u square plus v square and y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square. Now x greater than c. Now putting the value of x, u upon u square plus v square greater than c. Now c into u square plus v square minus c lesser 0. Therefore u square plus v square minus u upon c lesser 0. This is the equation of circle. This is equation of circle in W plane whose center 1 upon 2c comma 0 and radius 1 upon 2c, c greater than 0. Now the given transformation transform the half plane x greater than c in a circle whose center 1 upon 2c comma 0 and radius 1 upon 2c. This is the complete solution. Now next problem. Problem number 7. Determine the image of determine the image of x greater than 1 lesser than 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 upon z. Since z is equal to 1 upon w, this is equal to 1 upon u plus iv. Now u minus iv divided and multiplied, then u minus iv upon u square plus v square. Now comparing, then x is equal to u upon u square plus v square and y is equal to minus v upon u square plus v square. Since x greater than 1 is a first condition, that is u upon u square plus v square greater than 1. Now u square plus v square lesser u, that is u square plus v square minus u lesser 0. Now u square minus u plus 1 upon 4 plus v square lesser 1 upon 4. Now 1 upon 4 plus both sides. Now this is equal to u minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus v square lesser 1 upon 2 square. This is equation of circle. It is equation of circle whose center 1 upon 2 comma 0 and radius 1 upon 2. Now second condition, x less than 2, therefore u upon u square plus v square less than 2, 2u square plus v square greater u, therefore u square plus v square u by 2, u square plus v square minus u by 2. Now 1 upon 16 at both sides. Now we can write u minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus v square greater 1 upon 4 whole square. It is equation of circle whose center 1 upon 4 comma 0 and radius 1 upon 4. Therefore we can write image of x greater than 1 lesser than 2, region between the circles u minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus v square is equal to 1 upon 2 whole square and u minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus v square is equal to 1 upon 4 whole square. This is the complete solution.